In this video, I'll talk about 5 game-changing meditation tools and how it can elevate your meditation sessions to the next level. I just want to start by saying that if you are not doing meditation, then you don't know what you're missing. It does not only take care of your mental health, brings mental clarity, increase self-awareness, but also helps in the journey of your self-discovery, bringing emotional regulance in your life so that you can have control of your feelings and emotions. Overall, it's an exciting thing. Anyways, I always believe that you need to try different meditation tools and techniques to elevate your meditation journey. It also helps you to keep your meditation practice interesting and will encourage you to keep on doing the process. I've been practicing meditation for a couple of years and I've realized after all, meditation isn't one size fits all. It's a personal journey of self-discovery. In this video, I'll talk about 5 tools like this that I personally used and found it beneficial. Of course, this will help the beginners, and if you are an expert doing meditation for years, then I'm sure that you will find something new and exciting in this video. Firstly, I'll talk about this cool minimalist app called Kamaria. This app can be really useful for those who are getting started with their meditation journey. This app gives you small breathing exercise when you tap this circle. Like if I tap now, it is telling me to inhale for 4 seconds, then hold for 7 seconds and exhale in 8 seconds. It will also lightly vibrate when the timer ends, which is good if you are doing the meditation session closing your eyes. For advanced meditators, you can also customize the timers if you want a more intense session. Overall, I love this app. Comes in handy when you are traveling somewhere, be it on a train or a bus. Then just open the app, do some breathing exercises, complete your session for the day, and you are good to go. And none of the tools I'm talking here today are sponsored, so you can expect a neutral opinion from me. The second tool is also an app and it is my current favorite. The app name is The Way and I'm loving this tool for various reasons. Firstly, for its minimalist approach, like if you open other apps, then they will give you various options to choose from to do meditation, and sometimes people get overwhelmed by that, like to which options to choose from. But this app is pretty straightforward. Like this, every way it will provide you with one meditation session. You can choose the timing from 10 minutes to 20 minutes, and that's it. It's super simple, just the way it needs to be. Plus, the sessions are taken by Mr. Henry Shukman, who is an authorized Zen master.
Hi, my name is Henry Shukman. I'm a meditation teacher. I'm one of the few authentic Zen masters of the Sangha Zen lineage.
Somehow, the way he guides the meditation session connected with me, and I learned many ways to connect with my consciousness. Like yesterday, I was practicing a session on effortlessness, where he was guiding on how effortlessness can be life-changing for you. Like not giving any effort to removing the thoughts when it is disturbing you, not giving any effort to listening to the sounds that are surrounding you while doing meditation. And I loved the way how it was challenging my mind's usual patterns, bringing a kind of different feeling and observation within me. So sitting at your home doing meditation from a Zen master, who could have thought this would be possible? Overall, it's great. The third and the fourth tools are 2 YouTube channels. The first is Meditative Mind. This channel is all about meditative musics, and it has a very good collection that you can play in the background while doing meditation. It has music from different frequencies to light sounds of mantras like cosmic Om to chakra cleansing mantra. Oof, just try it. I love to play this music sometimes in the background while doing meditation. I also believe that the environment where you are doing meditation is important. And when I play this music on speaker, it changes the entire environment of my room, which automatically elevate the meditation sessions. The second YouTube channel name is Breathe and Flow. This channel is run by this sweet couple who are trained yoga instructors. Apart from yoga, they have some beautiful meditation and breathwork practice videos on their channel. They even have a couple of playlists related to meditation. Try those, and I found that they nicely guide you through the sessions. My favorite is their breathwork videos like powerful ancient Tamo breathwork practices and other guided meditation sessions. And the last tool I want to talk about is the most important tool, that is your breathing. Yes, you heard it right. Your breath is the most powerful tool you have for meditation. It's always with you, it's free, and it bridges the gap between your mind and body. Many people overlook the power of their breath, but in ancient wisdoms like yoga and Buddhism have long recognized its significance. When you are focusing on your breath, you are not only oxygenating your body, but also calming your mind and anchoring yourself in the present moment. Doing this sometimes I get lost in time. The more you'll focus on your breath, the greater the sessions will be. So that's it. Hope it helps. If you love this video, then at least share with one person whom you think need this. Thank you for watching. See you soon.